Joan of Art here. Let us take a tour of Guerrero Farms. Their garden has an awesome collection of all kinds of plants. Cacti, cacti, cacti. Wow, look at their amazing collections. I'm with the Guerrero family.
The man behind all this.
The dreamer.
The dreamer, the visionary. When did this start?
This started 15 years ago.
15. Wow, so a lot of hard work and love.
Hard work, patience, and determination, perseverance.
When did you open Guerrero Farms to the public?
I wanted to, to divert the attention of my grandchildren, not to play always with the computer. And after that, we are out of others out of the country. My children are out of the country. And then my grandchildren doesn't want to to come here anymore because they are already.
What? That's not true.
But your brother did, huh? Your brother,
My kuya likes going here. I like going
yeah,
here.
you like before. He told me that no, every time that you go to the farm, don't forget to fetch me, huh? After the construction of the swimming pool there, and then he said that no. I'm very happy that I was born in this family. See, that was his statement. Oh. But then, so don't forget, to fetch me every time that you go to the farm every weekend because I don't have classes. So you have to fetch me at home so that I can go with you. So that happens only for less than a year. After that, when I fetch him, no, farm again, you go ahead because I'm still somebody to talk with. But we don't have internet here, no connection.
Wala signal, not much.
Because that is what
We
I like.
promote social interaction, like personal.
Yes.
Yeah.
No TV, no,
So if you're
Let's
here,
stay connected.
Even the signal here
disconnect
is not
from
good.
social media.
What's your favorite activity here?
This slide.
Alright. Slip and slide.
Hiking, yeah.
Hiking.
Riding,
Imbang River.
How about horseback riding?
Okay.
I don't horseback ride a lot.
Oh. I have many horses here.
Alright.
And
Yes,
it's
I've
for
seen
free,
them.
But you really want to tame the horses.
Ride at your own risk.
Yeah, it's free, but they ride at your own risk. Because they are not riding anymore. That's why they are wild already.
Okay.
Because I plan to have each one a horse of their own. But then I don't know what happened that we don't like. You see, the horses are just there waiting for them to be to be used.
So how many horses in all do you have here?
Well, I have 8 horses here.
One
Since
for
I have
each.
4 grandchildren.
Ah.
So each grandchildren has 2 horses.
2 horses already. Wow, that's what an opportunity.
Sama ng family, very special ang place.
How many times do you come up here?
Mga 2-3 times a week. Kung may show kami sa Bacolod, dahil once in 10 days puro.
Din ka mo ga-show usually?
Robinson.
Robinson. So, ang passion mo is turned into this? Is this the largest cactus collection ever? Ayan. Hindi.
Siling nila. Not mo ba? Si Mera man yung private, yung wala yung mga sa public. Kami kay commercial kami. Hindi kami bakal sila. Mang kuton mo ginada sila. Kami di ang hapos lang kasabuon.
Okay. A motherload of cacti. Oh, yeah. And the ones that are for sale are right here. They're available for 30 pesos only for the teeny tiny plants. And the more expensive plants, you can buy up to 500 pesos per rare cactus. Alright, we have started our basic collection of cactus. Smile, Pasit. Smile for the camera. This is Joan of Art from Guerrero Farms. Bye for now.